How to tag someone on Instagram story in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on the add icon in the top left corner, and then here you can see the click on the story, and you have to take a picture like this one. And then what you have to do is click on this rope like a structure in the left side of the text button. And then here you have to, what you have to do is choose any of the choose no oh, you have to choose the background of the color as the black, and then you have to hold it, and then here you can see the background color is changed, and then you have click on the done. And then what you have to do is click on the emoji and then click on the hashtag. And I want to add the hashtag, and I want to tag to the Noteartener, who is a best singer. And click on the send to, and then click on the share to your story, and then click on the done. And here you can see the you when you go to your story, here you can see the you have tagged the Noteartener. So that's basically it, that how you can tag you someone on Instagram story. um, you basically what you have to do is go to the story, and then you have to change the background color to the black, and then type the and tap the username with the hashtag, and then share to your story. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I will see you next time. Have a good day.